Flotation and froth image. Flotation process is described as in Figure 1, a flotation agent is added to the pulp and mixed mechanically, while air is blown to create bubbles. Under certain operating conditions of flotation, the hydrophobic mineral particles are adhered to the surface of bubbles during the floating of the air bubbles, and eventually rise to the surface of the flotation cell mineral to enrich and form a froth layer, while the hydrophilic particles are primarily retained in water and are discharged with the tailings finally. The flotation process circuit includes grinding, classification and flotation roughing, cleaning and scavenging operations. Each flotation bank includes dozens of flotation cells. Figure 2 shows a concise flowchart of the flotation circuit. The rough concentration from the rougher cell should be processed by the subsequent flotation procedures to improve the concentration grade. The first operation in which the slurry is fed is called rougher operation. The froth obtained from the rougher operation is again in the flotation process, which is called the cleaner operation. The tailing output from the rougher operation is again in the flotation process, which is called the scavenger operation. The outputs, including the tailing from the cleaner operation and the froth from the scavenger operation, are called the middle minerals. After the slurry is fed into the rougher cell, the useful mineral particles are adhered to the bubbles and floated to overflow the flotation cell and then fed into the cleaner operation from the pipe. The froth output from the cleaner operation is fed into the total fine groove and processed to get the final concentration production by settling and filtration operations. The underflow slurry of the rougher cells is put into the scavenger operation. The froth from the scavenger operation is back as middle mineral into the rougher cell to be processed again. The underflow slurry of the scavenger cells is converged into the total end groove. In the end groove, the tailing is discharged after the final operation. The flotation process is a continuous and complex industrial production process in which each subprocess is interrelated and interacted with each other. Principle of flotation cell. Schematic of flotation circuit. In the flotation system based on image analysis and machine vision, a CCD video camera is mounted vertically above a flotation cell to capture froth images. The froth image is a special kind of professional image. Figure 3 shows a leaf froth image. A typical flotation image has the following characteristics. 1. A large number of bubbles stick together to form the foreground of an image without background. 2. The bubble sizes are different, and there is a highlight area, or more, on the top of each bubble, and the boundaries of bubbles are in low gray value. 3. The contrast is low, and there is noise on the surface of bubbles, and the illumination is uneven. In addition, there are often some black holes of different sizes on some bubble surfaces, and the colors of bubbles of different mineral flotation images are very different. Flotation is a dynamic and continuous process, and therefore the bubble will be a growth, burst and merger process. A froth image and its gray characteristic analysis. All the characteristics of froth images make bubble delineation hard. Therefore, how to achieve an efficient froth image segmentation method has become a major task in this research field. Since a flotation image is with much noise and without background at all, the flotation image processing is very difficult. In order to achieve fast and efficient image processing results, it is necessary to classify froth image first, then the image segmentation is carried out.